Hey guys, Jason with Paint Sprayers Plus, and in this product spotlight I'm going to be going over Fuji's GXPC gravity spray gun. This is one of the many guns that Fuji manufactures. I get a lot of calls about what sets this gun apart different than say a 1-quart siphon or Fuji's T75G, which is their other blue top-mounted gravity gun. But what does set this gun apart is its side-mounted gravity cup. So most standard gravity guns that you've probably seen have the cup mounted on top of the gun. The GXPC has the gravity cup or the cup mounted to the side of the gun. The nice thing about what Fuji's done with this, when they mounted it to the side, they incorporated a kind of a wing nut swivel fitting there, which allows you to move or maneuver the cup in various angles. And so to kind of give you a demonstration of how that would come in handy if you were spraying certain projects. If we wanted to spray this tabletop here and we had a 1-quart siphon gun and we needed to spray parallel with the surface, you really wouldn't want to tip the gun in that angle. You could, eventually you're going to run your material up to the front of the cup here, and you're going to end up pulling a lot of air, and it's going to spit and spatter all over the surface and make a big mess. But with the GXPC, we could put the gun or angle the gun directly to the surface, and then we can tip the cup back so the cup is up and down in that angle there. And then we have less risk of running material up the pressure tube here. And we can also utilize all the material that's in the cup. So if we only wanted to spray let's say a few ounces or a small amount, we still have that capability because the cup is up and down, and then we can spray. And then in the opposite from that, again, if we were going to spray up underneath something with say a 1-quart gun, that's not really the angle that you'd want to take a gun like this and angle it to. So we would again take the GXPC. You can turn it to spray up underneath, and then you can adjust the cup up enough and then tighten down the fitting again, and then again you can spray up underneath something without with less risk of running material up here. Obviously if you tipped it too far, because you can't in this position, it'd be really hard to get the cup all the way up, but you can get it pretty close, and you should be safe in that setting. So that's what really sets the GXPC apart from other Fuji spray guns, is it has a side-mounted gravity cup, and you can move it and set it in the position that you want. So usually you set it in the angle that you want, and then you just tighten the fitting back down so the cup stays nice and secure, and you spray. Another nice feature on this GXPC gun, most gravity guns you cannot set down because the cup is on top and there's nothing to support the gun, so you have to have a gun holder, a gravity gun dock or a holder. On this particular gun they have a built-in kickstand that pops down, which will allow you to set the gun down if you need to move your project or whatever you're doing. So that is a nice little feature there. And then, like a lot of Fuji spray guns, this one has the side-mounted fan control, which will allow you to control the width of your spray fan from wide to narrow. On the back is your fluid material control knob, allowing you to adjust the amount of flow of material coming out of the front of the gun. And then on the bottom you have your quick connect fitting for your turbine air hose. So that's kind of my short little presentation on the GXPC gun. And as always, if you have any questions on any of the products that we have on the site, more than welcome to phone calls. You can call the number here on the screen, or you can click the contact button on the website. You can also visit us on our blog, finishclinic.com. And as always, thank you for watching.